Here I have a copy of Windows for Workgroups Starter Kit version 3.1. Can't find very much information on this online, to be honest. I've had a look online. There seems to be plenty of information on Windows 3.1, Windows 3.11 for Workgroups. But on this starter kit, there doesn't seem to be much information at all. It's got 3.5 and 5 1/4 inch discs. Let's see what else it's got inside. Right. First of all, we have a network cable, BNC terminated. Two BNC T connectors and two BNC terminators. We also have license agreements. A registration card. Wonder what would happen if I sent that off now. Read me first. Just talk you through a little bit about installing network cards. Very briefly. Another copy of the license agreements. A leaflet detailing Microsoft subsidiary addresses, phone numbers, and the manuals. Manual for Schedule Plus. I'm assuming that's a piece of software that comes with this Windows for Workgroups installation. I don't know very much about it, but I shall take a look at that when I install it. Oh, it looks like a planner. Windows for Workgroups mail user guide. I'm assuming that this is a mail and email client. I don't know very much about that either. The obligatory getting started guide. Seems new. I don't think many people have had a look inside this. What is Windows for Workgroups? Installing your network card. Setting Windows up. That could take a bit more in-depth look. User guide. Again, seems brand new. Of course, I haven't used Windows 3.1 in nearly 30 years. Might need to have a look through that manual before I do anything with Windows. The discs. Now, unfortunately, I picked this up second-hand quite a while ago. Disc 1 is missing, so I may have to try and find a download online for disc 1. And it also has 5 1/4 inch discs. Now the 5 1/4 inch discs all appear to be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Unfortunately, I don't have a 5 1/4 inch drive, so that's no good. I'm going to have to use the 3.5 inch discs. Also included in this pack are 2 network cards. These network cards appear to be unused. They are Intel Ether Express 16 LAN adapters. The ISA cards with B and C connector and a AUI connector. AUI stands for Attachment Unit Interface. I've had no dealings with that ever, so that could be quite interesting. The only problem with these cards is that I don't have any hardware that's capable of running them. I've nothing old enough with an ISA slot. So until I get hold of the equipment, I may have to purchase myself, I won't say new computer, an old computer at some point. These are going to have to stay shiny and new. I won't be connecting these up anytime soon. Which is a shame, because as they are new old stock, I suppose, I'd quite like to get these working. I'm going to assume that the other one in here is the same. Not only is this one unused, it's still sealed. So we'll not open that just yet. We'll open it as and when I get around to installing it, or I get some equipment that I can install it in. That's everything I have. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.